Today we'll perform a test with simple trick. Let's see. Hello, namaste. How are you all? आप कैसे हो? நல்லா இருக்கீங்களா? कैसे છો teacher? Yes, this is Flying Skies One. Welcomes you all to watch pretty good videos. Thanks for all your support. Thank you so much. This video is on a small tutorial of how to test or check the level of gas in the gas cylinder. You can perform this test with all the ceiling fans turned off in your rooms for better results. We can even perform this test in the kitchen itself. We often see gas run out of the gas cylinder in our kitchen while we are cooking. So you can perform this test or check the level of gas. So let's start now. Take a bowl of water as shown in the picture. You got to take a cloth and dip the cloth into water. Let the cloth absorb the water thoroughly. Rub the surface of the cylinder with the wet cloth vertically as shown in the picture. Now you've got to wait for a moment or so to see the results. If any of you are watching my video for the first time and has come new here now, please subscribe. After some time, you see the cylinder in this way. You see some wet portion across the cylinder as shown in the picture. This wet portion shows the gas lift in your cylinder. That's it, done. This is all you got to do. The dried portion of the cylinder shows that there's no gas. Here you can see above the mark, the surface of the cylinder has been dried up. That's it for today. You can do it for yourself. It's so simple, right? Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Flying Skies One. Have a good day. Keep smiling.